This is week 5, and as mentioned in the last video, my focus for those 2 weeks were professional development for teachers. Last week, I reviewed the current policy and found there are some rooms for improvements. And this week, I worked with the vice principal and made a revision. The purpose of policy refinement is to meet the increasing needs of teachers that hopefully will bring change about school reform and increase student achievements. We included some new sections. For example, training management. This section includes 4 subsections: application and authorization, training budget management, management and evaluation, agreement, length of service, and liability of breach. In the application and authorization part, it explains that teachers shall apply for the training on OA at least 1 month in advance of all the training program. For those who apply the short program training as a degree education shall submit related application, enrollment, or invitation letter, then approved by Director of Department. The application will be approved by Director based on the applicant's work ability and skill together with personal and department development needs, and get final approval from leader in charge through HR office. Staff could attend the training program only after the final approval. The teachers will be able to know where this is going by carefully following the instructions. With consideration of school financial status, we decided to maximize the training expenses shall not exceed 5,000 per person per year, and excess shall be borne by the individual. If there are some wonderful training program with training expenses over 10,000 per year, the teachers do really want to go. It shall be approved by school leadership meeting. In order to evaluate their learning outcome, the management and evaluation policy should complement with each other. Trainees shall finish the training feedback in 2 weeks after the completion of training program. Those who attend the short-term training and degree education shall submit the copy of transcript, diploma certificate as part of the reimbursement materials to HR. We also made some improvements on the degree education. Since we know that the more education they have as a teacher, the better equipped they will be to meet the needs of students. A master or doctor gives teacher tools they need to reach students where they are, better engage and manage their classroom, and improve educational outcomes for their students. We highly encourage teachers to pursue further studies during employment. However, in order to prevent teachers from leaving their jobs and going somewhere else when they finally getting their degree, the service period is required after diploma was acquired. The revised regulation also consists of many types of professional development. For example, orientation, pre-post training, specialized training, initial training, short-term academic development, master and doctoral studies. Detailed explanation is then followed, so teachers can look into the exact type of professional development they like to attend. In conclusion, this week, I and the vice principal finished the process of transforming a high-level goal or abstract policy specification into low-level, concrete policies that can be forced on the managed system. Professional development and educational policy focus on the quality of teachers and helping teachers become more proficient in their respective fields.